How to clean greasy kitchen cabinets. Grease coating your kitchen cabinets may stubbornly resist normal cleaning methods. Eliminate light grease by misting cabinets with vinegar. Cut through moderate grease with an oil or grease-cutting dish soap or laundry detergent. Treat and remove severe grease with a paste made from baking soda and vegetable oil. Eliminating light grease with vinegar. Create a vinegar solution. Pour undiluted distilled white vinegar into a spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle at home, you can purchase one at most grocery stores, hardware stores, and general retailers. Vinegar is especially good at removing the sticky films sometimes left behind by hands. If you have small children who leave greasy handprints on your cabinets, use vinegar. 3. Mist your greasy cabinets with the vinegar solution. Be thorough when misting. Coat all surfaces of the cabinets with a light layer of the vinegar solution. After applying the solution, allow it to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Do not oversaturate your cabinets with the solution. This can cause wood damage, peeling paint, or rusting metal. 5. Re-wet the cabinets and wipe them clean. After the vinegar has had time to sit, mist the cabinets again in the same fashion as before. Use a gentle scrubber on stubborn areas. Severely dirty cabinets may require light buffing with a non-abrasive scrubbing pad. Lightly rub the scrubber in a circular motion over areas with stubborn grease. Using abrasive cleaning tools may harm the finish or the surface of your cabinets. Test scrubbers on an out-of-sight part of the cabinet before using them. 7. Dry the cleaned cabinets. Use a clean, soft, lint-free cloth to wipe your cabinets dry. When the cabinets are dry, you should be able to see or feel any remaining greasiness. Repeat this process as necessary until your cabinets are grease-free.